Hello everyone, today's video will be about the Karcher K2 Power Control Max 2000 PSI electric pressure washer with 2 spray wands. So we purchased this pressure washer about 8 months ago, primarily to clean the brick walls off our house, but this works great for washing cars as well. So in this video, I will be demonstrating the pressure washer used to wash our car. But it's also great for cleaning driveways, patios, decks, sidewalks, walls, cars, boats. So it definitely has a lot of uses. You could also adjust the nozzle for the pressure. There's also a gauge on the handle, and it's separated into soft, medium, and hard. Soft would be more for rinsing, whereas medium is for washing cars, and hard would be for brick walls or concrete. It's a little noisy when you turn it on because of the motor and air suction, but very easy to use. It's primarily an on and off switch. And I personally think the design looks pretty good. Like I said, I've had this for 8 months, but I've also read that these things are very durable, so very well made. And the hose attachments are super easy to apply. They provide everything you need to attach to your standard hose attachment or faucet. And like I said, I really think the design is nice. It looks really beautiful. So it's kind of a cool little gadget toy to have in your garage. Here's a demonstration of cleaning your rims and wheels. We live in the countryside, so keep the car parked outside without any protection, as you can see. So it's perfect for our needs. Ours came with 2 wands, one that shoots straight and the other that spreads the water out. But for washing cars, this is really cool. It has this attachment where you could put some soap inside and then it'll start to spray the soap in foam. So perfect for washing cars. Once you get a water pressure to wash your car, you'll never go back. So that pretty much concludes our demonstration video. If you have any questions, please write below. If this video has helped, please like or comment. Really appreciate it. And I'll leave a link below for the model that we got. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.